Step 1. Attach the metal guardrail to the small magnetic shelf first. Step 2. Attach two hooks to the small magnetic shelf. Step 3. Attach the small magnetic shelf, which comes with metal rails and hooks, to a washing machine or refrigerator with a smooth metal surface. Step 4. Use screws to mount the small magnetic shelf to the wall. Step 5. Stick two adhesive hooks onto the smooth metal surface of your washing machine or dryer and hang the large magnetic shelf on them for a more secure hold.